Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. In the latest version of Laravel 8.54.0, there was this new thing added to the Laravel, which is withoutTrashed method on the exist rule. And I'll show you in what cases it might be very useful. If I show you here in the database, there are two categories in which deleted add is set. And these three do not have anything, or they have null in the deleted add field. Let us only look at these 5 categories for now. We'll only use these 5 categories in this tutorial. So basically, whenever a category is deleted, its deleted add is set to the date whenever it is deleted, and it is considered as deleted. And here I am using the soft delete feature of Laravel. Let me show you here in the category model. So I have used here soft deletes. And now in the browser, if I go here in this page and if I just reload here, then you can see here I am only seeing these 3 categories, which are these top 3 categories. But if I come here and let me just comment this out for now, and if I come here in the browser and reload, then you can see here I am seeing all the 5 categories here. And if I show you here what query it is running, so by default it will run only select all categories where parent ID is null. And you can see here all these 5 have parent ID as null. But if I just uncomment this and if I come here in the browser and reload, then you can see here it will automatically add this categories.deleted add is null in the query. And because of that, we'll only get 3. And you can see here in the database, only these 3 have the deleted add as null. Now, as you have seen here in the browser, I have this categories list and article title. And if I show you here in the code, here in the web.php, currently we are in this route, you can see here. And I have passed here categories list from here like this. We don't have to write any where condition to check if the categories are deleted or not. Whenever we add this soft deletes, then Laravel will automatically add that where deleted add is null in the query. So now if I come here in the welcome, we have this category and title. So it is coming from here. I am just looping through the categories and showing the select, and I am showing the error message if there are any error in the category. And similarly, here I have just shown the input title, and this is the X input. And if I show you here in the input, then you can just see here it is just a basic Laravel component. If you don't know anything about component, then I have already made a detailed tutorial about this. I'll leave the link of that tutorial just below that like button. And whenever we submit this form, we'll visit to this route submit. And if I come here in the web.php here submit, I'm just doing a DD over here, but you can just save the article over here. And here also we have done a simple validation. We are checking whether the category exists in our database or not before saving it to the database. And also let me show you one more time. Here we have these categories with the ID of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now if I go here in the browser and simply select a category and just write something in the title and submit, then you can see here it has successfully submitted this form, and we have the validation was successful and we are reaching here. Now let me dump this category ID over here and let me resubmit this form over here. And you can see here I am getting this ID as 1. Which is what we have selected. Now let me go back and let me inspect it. Let's say I am some hacker or someone who is trying to hack with our website, and let's say I'll try to submit here 5 here. Instead of 1, I'll try to submit 5. And you can see here in the database, the 5 is already deleted. Here the deleted add is set. And now if I submit here, then also you can see here it is submitted and it has passed the validation over here, which means that by default this rule exist will check every data in our database. It will not check whether we have this deleted add field and it is set or not. So to fix this one, and also for the convenience, there is one extra method added to this rule, which is withoutTrashed. Now if I add this withoutTrashed and go back and let me again change this to 5. And now if I select that first one and random title, and if I submit here, then you can see here the selected category ID is invalid. With the help of this, we can just ignore all the trashed categories. Before also we could do this, but we had to do here where not null, and we have to write here deleted add like this. So just for the convenience, this new method is added over here. And also it helps us to encapsulate the table column name. And let's say you have modified the deleted add column name in the table, then you can pass that column name over here. Let's say you have changed that deleted add to deleted time like this, then you can pass that column over here. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.